Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store step by step. First of all, before begin, here's what you will need. Your Shopify store, a free app like Desserts, the official Aliexpress dropshipping partner, a free Aliexpress account. We will use Desserts because it makes importing and fulfilling orders super easy. Now go to admin dashboard, click apps, then app and sales channel settings, Shopify app store. Now search for Desserts. Now install that app, then open it. Then log into your Aliexpress, connect your Aliexpress account inside Desserts. Click login and authorize. Enter your Aliexpress credentials. Now let's find the products to add. Before, click confirm, then Aliexpress, and follow the process. Go to aliexpress.com, search for your niche or choose one from here, like t-shirt. Check that the 4-star plus rating, free shipping option, ship from your target country. If possible, always choose sellers with high rating and lots of orders. Now import product to Desserts. In another tab, open Desserts. Use the Chrome extension, Aliexpress Chrome extension. If on desktop, click Add to Desserts. Copy the Aliexpress product link, then paste it into Desserts. The product will appear in your import list. Edit product title, description, images, price, and variants. Make it clean and brand it. Remove AliExpress watermarks if needed. Once the product looks good, let's publish it to your store. Inside the import list, click push to store, choose the right collection tags and pricing. Go to Shopify products tab to confirm it's live. Before then, don't have an AliExpress account, then log into your sign up with your Google account. Now enter your phone number. I will use a temporary number for this tutorial, the US number. Copy the number and paste on the search. Then get code. Wait a minute and copy the code from your phone number. You can select other ways to verify with contact customer service. Choose your another number and click send get code. And follow the process. In desserts, you can set pricing rules automatically. Go to desserts settings, then pricing rules. Set a multiplier like 2x or 2.5x Aliexpress price. Future imports will follow these rules. Don't forget to factor in your ad costs and profit margin. When a customer buys a product, your desserts will show the order in the orders tab. Click place order from Shopify. Desserts fills in the customer's information on Aliexpress for you. You just pay the supplier and they ship it directly to your customer. And that's it. You have just added a product from Aliexpress to Shopify using desserts. It's fast, free, and beginner friendly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what niche you are dropshipping. See you in the next one.